So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. That's 2018-19 new recipes. This is the 2018-19 new recipes bag. And we are making salmon candy. Okay, salmon candy. It's really just a marinade. Let's get into it. 1 cup DK brown sugar, a 1/4 cup salt, or a 1/4 cup for you people that can't comprehend, those are the same thing. 1/2 cup maple syrup, and then melt it with 2 cups of hot water. I didn't want the heat from the water to cook the salmon, so I popped it in the fridge for a bit. So I thought the marinade would end up thickening, but it's really just like brown water. Pour over salmon and marinate for 48 hours. And then you have the option to smoke or bake. I baked it. Let's serve it up, see what the roommate thinks. This is candy salmon.
Ooh.
Candy Salmon.
I love salmon.
Salmon.
Okay, I see where the candy comes from.
It's salty though too, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's good, but...
I should have put it in the air fryer anyway, even though it says bake or what's it say? Bake or smoke.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Which I think smoking this would be tight, but I don't know how to smoke anything.
No. Yeah, air fryer.
Yeah, it's just...
We're spoiled.
The skin on it is like
Right? It's
soft.
like gooey.
But I mean, and if I'm trying to focus on just the marinade, actually it's not that sweet.
No.
And I don't know that I love it being that sweet. I mean, I'm absolutely inhaling it.
Yeah. We're just like, there's garbage. No, it's good.
It's good.
We're on a tear of like 9s and high 8s.
3, 2, 1. 7-1, 7-3. Yeah.
That's what it is.
It's what it is.
It is what it is.
Nothing to be talked about here. Candy salmon.
Nothing to be done.
Any last words?
No. Nothing to be talked about.
Okay, well, next time on Dead Greg. Hello, that's the end of the video, but YouTube wants the videos to be 3 minutes long. Check out deadgregs.com. That's where you can buy artwork, and depending on when you're seeing this, by the end of January 2025, you will also be able to buy a PDF of the cookbook. Let's see, what else is there to talk about? Not much. We'll be dropping new pieces of artwork. Right now there's only 2, but there's going to be a couple more. And we'll keep doing more drops. Maybe some aprons and some t-shirts. All right. Until next time on Dead Gregs.